most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?
Alright guys, it snowed like hell, it's blowing. Come out here, no snow. You can see it's been blowing and drifting. 3 inches on the Volvo, so it snowed 3 inches. Let's put that video up. I'm back here. Now let's do the fuel consumption. Still running, 35C. Looks like the fuel is almost gone, so we're gonna refill it. So it used that whole tank. It's about a gallon. That's to keep this toasty warm. Like it's like this floor, this ceiling, everything is warm. Like a 35C was, it's about 90 degrees. It's about 90 in here. So let me just keep this truck 90. Took a whole gallon for a 12-hour period. So that's fuel consumption test. We'll do some future tests. Run it at just enough, because if you run it at if you run this thing at like the idle speed, you know, low, just set it to just keep it de-thawed. It still melts all the snow on the vehicle, so having it this hot is basically a waste. It was more of a test. I wanted to see full out maximum how much it used. So yeah, and it's a storm, so you can kick it up full blast. It doesn't really need to be, like I said. So that's your fuel efficiency for full blast to heat a Tahoe in a snowstorm. Holy smokes, freaking windy out here. The whiteout a second ago. See the truck now. No snow on it.
Dumb fucker, he's going head on into traffic. It's over there. Not opposing. Oh, he's gonna hit a plow. Holy fucking shit, he almost hit the plow. What a dumbass. You are a fucking dumbass. Got all the noises. There you go. Freaking blizzard out here. Just a minute ago I looked out, I couldn't even see. There he goes. That thing is a loud turbo.
So I almost forgot the truck. So yeah, all day it's parked in a spot where the snow accumulates. All my doors open, my hatch open easily. You get a little bit on the windshield, but the wipers clears it right off, so it eventually melts. A little bit on the front end. I'm gonna create a duct that goes under the motor. So these yeah, I'll show you at another time. Use this 18-watt pump to pump the air under there. Thing moves a large volume, like 10 cubic foot a minute. So, be moving 10 cubic foot a minute. Oh, I'm freezing this ass. It's so windy. Snow is extra bad with that wind. Oh, it's so nice when I open this door. Like I'm literally, it's like opening the door to a hot attic. Super. Alright, so we did a fuel consumption test. I got some visual results. It's 33. Alright, so we're at about, I don't know, 1/3 of a tank. 1/3 of a tank left, so it's 2/3 of a gallon to run for 8 hours. And that's in these conditions here. So that's high. That's a lot more than usual, but as you can see, it snowed that much. This car was brushed off last night. So this is what we got. Windshield's still clear. You could just jump in, turn the wipers on, drive away. Melted off. You can see. Yeah. Back window, turn the wiper on, and away you go. Now, they're not driving away. They're not driving away. nobody's driving away. So, snowed a lot. Having a pretty decent blizzard here. So, anyway, just thought I'd show you that. Till next time, if you like this kind of stuff, just need you to leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. And have a good day.